Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheetal. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look. So yeah, stay on this video. Firstly, we will do the skincare. So I'm using this Mamaearth Tea Tree Moisturizer to moisturize my skin. Gently give massage to your skin as long as you can. You just have to smoothen your skin and just relax your muscles. So yeah, do it well. Lip care is also very important, so I am using this Arata lip balm. As you have seen this lip balm almost on my every video. Just massage on your lips. After completing the skincare, now moving to the base of the makeup. So I am applying this foundation. This is Lakme 925 primer plus foundation. Remember one thing, whenever you use the beauty sponge, just use it as a wet sponge so it can spread your all the base, whether it is concealer, whether it is foundation, very well. So yeah, use wet sponge. As I always advise to cover the neck area so that people can't differentiate between your face and neck color. After applying the foundation, now we'll work with concealer to hide our dark circles, pigment and any marks if you are having on your face, like this. And firstly, you have to cover the concealer with this compact. So I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact and I love this. This is the face palette 3-in-1 of Sugar Cosmetics. So for contouring, make a pouty face like this and apply upwards. You will find the detail of all the cosmetics whichever I am using on this video, so check the description box. Next, moving to blush and make a smile and apply the blusher on apple of your cheeks. I'm using the fluffy brush and this is of Vega brand. Firstly, doing the highlighting, and I'm applying the highlighter with the help of my fingers. So yeah, I am done with this face palette and I'm keeping this aside. Don't forget to fix your makeup, so I am using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Wait till it dried up and you can see the change as well. Now for the eye makeup, I am using this Mistral of Milan eye shadow palette. Use the shade which will go with your dress. So I have selected the copper and dark golden brown shade. Firstly, prepare the base of your eyes and then we'll work on the corner. darker shade will be selected for the corner of the eyes and the edges. These both shades are looking very nice. I don't know if camera is capable to show this clearly or not. For glitter, I'm using the another eyeshadow palette, and this is from Huda Beauty. Don't forget to cover your lower lashes and apply the same eyeshadow. Now for the glittery look, I am applying the light golden color with the help of my finger, and you just have to apply it on the top of your eyes. Just blend it well. After completing the eyeshadow, just let it get set and move to eyebrows. So I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Remember one thing, while applying the eyebrow pencil, just apply it very smoothly, as this is very soft and very dark. So apply carefully and set it with the help of spoolie. You will get this spoolie on the another side of eyebrow pencil, and as you can see the difference also after and before using this spoolie. I'm done with the eyebrows. Now I'm applying the eyeliner, and this is from the brand Dazzler Eterna. Sometimes it's get very tough to apply liquid eyeliner, so apply it very carefully. I'm not using the false lashes, so I am applied directly on my own eyelashes. The mascara. Mascara gives the volume and the beautiful texture to your eyelashes. So yeah, use it, and don't forget to apply it on your lower lashes also. I'm using this kajal. This is from Lakme brand, and now firstly moving to lip liner. This is also from Mistral of Milan, and this product is genuinely very nice. I am using the nude shade of lipstick, so this is also from this Sugar Cosmetic, and the texture of this lipstick is really very creamy and very smooth. As you can see the crowd behind me, because I was getting ready for the party of my daughter's birthday, so these elements will be found in whole of my video. And as I am the married woman, so I have applied the sindoor also. So yeah, that's it for this makeup look, and ta-da! Hope you like this look, and hope you like my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and thank you so very much for watching.